Welcome back. Coast Guard has stressed the need to have a close coordination of ICG with the Indian Navy, Marine Police, ports and other agencies for ensuring high level of coastal security. Deputy Inspector General of Indian Coast Guard Goa region Manoj Bhatkar was speaking at the decommissioning ceremony of the ICG ship C-133 at berth number 4 of Mormugao Port Trust.
Although it's heartening that an important operations asset of our state of Goa is getting decommissioned, but we all know that the major expansion and modernization plan of Coast Guard is underway. And it is important for us to pay off the old ships so that the new ships can be commissioned. And that's also the law of nature. Our nation today is going through a crucial phase of development for sustaining the growth momentum that we achieved during the last decade. We are also committed to work in close coordination with various stakeholders in the coastal security apparatus, including the Indian Navy, Marine Police, ports, fisheries and other agencies for ensuring high level of coastal security.
The ship has served the nation for the past 2 decades after its inception in 1994. It was the third of 10 series of interceptor boat built in the hometown of Vasco by Anderson Marines. In its tenure, it has served in various search and rescue operations. Our reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Defending champions Pudhari will clash with Herald in the finals of Intermedia cricket tournament at Kampal ground on Friday morning. Pudhari defeated Prudent in the first semi-final by 10 wickets. Herald then beat Electronic Media by the same margin to set up the title clash with Pudhari. The tournament is organized by Sport Journalists Association of Goa in memory of Vijay Gad.
Pudhari won the toss and asked Prudent to bat first. Prudent were restricted to a total of 56 runs for 6 in allotted 10 overs. Lakshara Shetty scored the highest 15 runs for Prudent, while Adik Moroskar scored 13. Pudhari achieved the target of 57 runs in the 5th over without losing a single wicket. Pudhari opener Vishal Mayekar was not out with 32 runs and Harshad Sawant was unbeaten with 14. Vishal Mayekar was awarded man of the match. In the second semi-final, Herald beat Electronic Media by 10 wickets. Electronic Media made 64 runs, which were chased down by Herald without losing a wicket. Yatin Bakle top scored with 48 runs. Yatin was named man of the match. Pudhari will clash with Herald in the final on Friday morning at Kampal ground. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Rom Tamil, Godemodni, folk dances and float parade. Shigmo at Vasco on Wednesday attracted many. Here are some of the glimpses. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.